हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब? भाई आप सब मज़े में हैं। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान के सागर ऑफिशियल में। तो गाइस, आप सभी जानते हैं कि जेकेएसएसबी फाइनेंस अकाउंट असिस्टेंट की जो मैंने एमसीक्यूज की सीरीज़ चलाई, तो आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए इकोनॉमिक्स का जो मेन टॉपिक है, पहला टॉपिक जो है इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, बेसिक कंसेप्ट एंड प्रिंसिपल, तो उसके ऊपर आपके लिए कम से कम 40 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज लेके आया हूँ। तो उससे पहले मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, जो भी भाई इस चैनल पर नया है तो चैनल को सबसे पहले यहाँ पे कर दो सब्सक्राइब, साथ में बेल आइकन को प्रेस करने के बाद ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करना बिल्कुल ना भूलना। तो गाइस, चलो चलते हैं एमसीक्यूज की तरफ। गाइस, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिलेटेड टू माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक? द राइट आंसर इज पार्ट डी, इनकम फ्रॉम द रेलवेज। नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्टडी ऑफ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक एंड macro economic is. The right answer is part B, interrelated to each other. Next one is who is the father of economics? The right answer is part C, Adam Smith. Next one is in economics, scarcity referred to an situation when. The right answer is part A, demand for goods exceed its supply. Next one is dash dash economic states what is and what not, what should be. The right answer is part A, positive. Next one is dash dash are the important tools of macroeconomic studies. The right answer is part B, aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Next one is which of the following question is or the part of normative economics? The right answer is part C, was domestications justified? Next one is which of the following is not a macro variable? The right answer is part B, output of frame. Next one is consider the following statement regarding the microeconomics. The right answer is part B, both A and B. Next one is in which of the following type of economic resource production are completely under control? The right answer is part D, command economy. Next one is in which type of economy resource of production are under private ownership and they make their decisions with the desire to maximize profits? The right answer is part C, free market economy. Next one is in which type of economy the consume everything within the economic border and the government act as the arbitrator? The right answer is part A, closed economy. Next one is if the demand for a good is inelastic and increase its price will cause the total expenditure of the consumer of the good to. The right answer is part A, increase. Next one is the horizontal demand curve parallel to x axis implies that the elasticity of demand is. The right answer is part B, infinite. Next one is an individual demand curve slopes downward to the right because of the. The right answer is part D, all of the above. Next one is income elasticity of demand is defined as the responsiveness of. The right answer is part A, quality demand to the change in economic income. Next one is to supply of a good referred to. The right answer is part B, total stock in the warehouse. Next one is in the short run, when the output of frame increase, it average fixed cost. The right answer is part B, decrease. Next one is the cost of one thing in term of the alternative given up is called. The right answer is part D, opportunity cost. Next one is assume that consumers' income and the number of sellers in the market of good X both fall. Based on this information, we can conclude with certainty that the equilibrium. The right answer is part D, quantity will decrease. Next one is the economist objection to monopoly rests on which of the following ground. The right answer is part D. D, both A and B are correct. Next one is in which of the following market structure is the degree of control over the price of the product by a firm very large. The right answer is part C, monopoly. Next one is what do you mean by supply of good? The right answer is part C, the actual production of the good. Next one is the reason for a decline in the child sex ratio in India is. The right answer is part B, female foeticide. Next one is what things are taken into the considerations while revising the poverty line periodically. The right answer is part C, both A and B are taken into consideration. Next one is in India, which bank has the highest share in the disbursement of credit to agriculture and allied activities? The right answer is part C, commercial banks. Next one is which of the below mentioned institutes are linked with the financial sector of India controlled by the Reserve Bank of India in RBI? The right answer is part D, all of above. Commercial bank, money lenders, stock exchange operations. Next one is what does price flora mean? The right answer is पार्ट बी, सरप्लस। तो गाइज आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ गई होगी। अगर वीडियो पसंद आ गई तो वीडियो को ज़रूर सबके साथ शेयर करें। अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो ऐसी ही वीडियोज़, ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन वीडियोज़ के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। तो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं ऐसी एक और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो में।